In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a review link to your Google Business profile. This is a great way to encourage your customers to leave feedback and help boost your online presence. Let's dive right in. Firstly, to access your Google Business profile, you'll want to go to business.google.com. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your business's online appearance on Google. Once you're there, navigate to the upper right corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. Now, if it's your first time signing in, make sure you use the Gmail account that you connected with your business. This step ensures that you access the correct profile. For those who have previously signed in, you'll be directed straight to your Google Business dashboard. And if you're having trouble getting there, an alternative route is simply heading over to Google and typing in either the name of your business or just My Business. Once you hit enter, you should see your business name in the search results. Click on View Profile, and you'll be back at your dashboard in no time. Now that you're on your dashboard, you'll want to focus on your Home tab. Here, you should click on Read Reviews. It's important to keep an eye on what your customers are saying about your business, and this section allows you to see all of it at a glance. As you get to the review section, there's an option labeled Get More Reviews. Clicking this will bring up a Share Review Form button. This is where the magic happens. When you click it, a short URL will appear. This is the link that you can share with your customers to guide them to leave a review. Copying this link is straightforward, just highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Now that you have the link, you can share it through various channels. Consider sending it via email because it provides a more personal touch. Alternatively, social media platforms are excellent for reaching a broader audience. It's up to you to choose the method that works best for your business. Moreover, if you're looking to get a bit creative, you can generate a QR code from this short URL. Having a QR code prominently displayed in your store or on your website provides a convenient way for customers to access your review page instantly. It's a small touch that can make a big difference in how easy it is for customers to leave feedback right there and then. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to share a review link on your Google Business profile. This not only helps gather valuable feedback, but also enhances your business's online credibility. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share this with fellow business owners who might find it helpful.